Today I'm going to show you how to make crispy vermicelli with vegetables, an inexpensive Asian dish which can feed 2 people for less than $2. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Let us start. The ingredients are as follows. If you don't catch them now, you can find them in the description down below. 5 to 6 ounces of vermicelli, 2 medium carrots, a medium-sized potato. I cut it into thin strips, but you can cut it as you like. 3 medium-sized eggs, 1 tablespoon of flour, a handful of cilantro, and salt and pepper to taste. First, I'm going to cook the vermicelli. I've already boiled the water and I'm going to go and add it to the boiling water. I'm going to cook it for about 3 minutes. When you are cooking your vermicelli, you should look at the instruction on the package because different brands have different instructions. 3 minutes pass. I'm going to drain it. I'm going to add a little bit cold water. Now I'm going to cut it with the scissors because it makes it easier for you to mix it with your other ingredients. I'm going to chop the cilantro very fine. I'm going to add it to the bowl. I'm going to add my carrots. I'm going to add the potatoes. I'm going to beat my eggs. Okay, now I'm going to add the vermicelli in a bowl. I'm going to add my eggs. Now I'm going to add it to the vegetables. Now I'm going to add the flour and mix it very well. I'm going to add the salt and pepper. If you like the flavor of soy sauce, you can add soy sauce instead of salt. On my step, I love soy sauce, so I'm going to add a splash of soy sauce. I'm going to get 1 tablespoon coconut oil. You can use any kind of oil that you like. I like using coconut oil because it's a healthy option and it's very good for frying. Now I'm going to give it a stir. I'm ready to cook it. You don't want to have it too thick because you want to have that crispiness outside. So I think the thickness of 1/2 inch is very good. As I mentioned, this amount of ingredients is good for 2 servings. So I will cook each serving separately. I'm going to let it cook for about 4 minutes and after that flip it over. Now that both sides are golden brown, it's time to serve it. It looks so yummy and tempting. It's crispy outside and soft and chewy inside. I garnished it with some sesame seeds, tomatoes, and cilantro. I hope you enjoy it. Bon appetit!